My foot hurts, Jack. I may miss the show. Do not worry. I hope you get better soon. We are here now. The doctor will help you.
Mom, what if I cannot dance next week?
Class, next Friday we have a big school show. You can sing, dance, act, or do something fun.
Wow, I want to do a dance performance.
Emma, you look so happy. What will you do?
I will dance on the stage. I really want to shine.
That sounds great. I want to see your show. I love dancing, but I need a lot of practice. You can do it, Emma. You always work very hard. Yes, I will start today when I go home.
Mom, our school show is next week. I chose dance, and I want to practice every day.
That is wonderful, Emma. I am very happy for you.
Dad, I will dance in the school show.
Really? That is big news. I am proud of you.
I want my dance to look beautiful and strong.
Emma is very excited about the school show.
Yes, and we should help her practice well.
She will feel strong when we support her. Okay, Emma, start slowly and follow the music. Step left, step right, and turn a little. Good. I can learn this dance. My hands go up, then I move my feet. 1, 2, 3. Good job, Emma. Emma, you are working very hard.
Yes, Mom. I want to do my best on stage.
Practice slowly and be careful with your feet.
I will, Mom.
Now I will try the turning step. I need one strong foot and good balance. This part is a little hard. Emma, can I watch your dance later? Yes, but first I want to learn this turn. Okay, I know you will do well. Let me try again, slow then fast. I stand on one foot, then I turn. I almost did it. One more time.
Ah, my foot, that really hurts. Mom, Dad, please come here.
Emma, what happened to you?
I fell while I was turning on one foot.
Stay calm, dear. Let me see your foot. Emma, are you okay? You look very sad. My foot hurts, Jack. I may miss the show. Do not worry. I hope you get better soon. We are here now. The doctor will help you.
Mom, what if I cannot dance next week?
Let us stay positive. Maybe it is not serious.
Hello, Emma. Tell me what happened.
I was dancing, then I fell on my foot.
I will check it now. Please relax. Her foot is not badly hurt, but she needs care. That is good to hear. What should we do now? Rest tonight, use this bandage, and move slowly.
Mom, I feel very upset now. I practiced so much for this school show.
I know, Emma, but you still have hope.
Emma, one small fall does not end your dream.
But Dad, I am afraid to dance again.
Fear is normal, but you can still be brave.
Emma, I believe in you very much. Thank you, Jack. I just feel nervous now. Then try again slowly. I will cheer for you. I do not want to give up. I will rest, then I will try again carefully. I can still do this. Emma, let us practice gently today.
Yes, Mom, I will move very slowly.
Good. Listen to your body and keep your balance.
Step, step, turn a little. Oh, that feels much better now. My foot is stronger today.
Emma, that looked much better.
Really, Dad? I felt more steady this time.
Yes, you are improving because you stayed patient.
Emma, show me your best part now. Okay, watch this step and this little turn. Wow, that was nice. You are ready soon. Tomorrow is the big day. Are your clothes ready?
Yes, Mom, I am excited but a little scared.
That is okay. Just do your best and enjoy it. Emma, how do you feel this morning?
My heart is beating fast, but I feel better.
Good. I will be there and clap for you. Emma, your turn is coming very soon.
I am ready, but I still feel a little nervous.
That is normal. Take a deep breath.
Stay calm, Emma. You practiced well. Do not think about the fall. Just smile and dance.
Emma, the audience is waiting for you now.
Okay, teacher. I will go and do my best.
Wonderful. I believe in you. I hope Emma feels strong on the stage.
She will. She worked hard and did not give up.
I am so proud of her already.
Mom, I cannot wait to see Emma dance.
Me too, Jack. She was very brave.
I will clap the loudest for her.
Now please welcome Emma for her dance performance. She worked very hard for this special moment. Let us cheer for Emma.
Okay, Emma, start softly and keep smiling. 1 step, 2 steps, good. Yes, I can do this. Now the turn, slowly and strong. I did it! My foot feels fine! Keep going, Emma. Finish beautifully.
Look at her, Sophia. She is dancing so well.
Yes, she looks confident and happy now.
I knew she could do it.
Emma, that was a lovely performance.
Thank you, teacher. I was scared, but I tried.
And you did a wonderful job.
Mom, I was afraid, but I did not give up.
Yes, Emma, you were brave, strong, and patient.
I am very happy. I want to dance even more now. Thank you for watching my story. Please like and subscribe. Tell me in the comments, did I give up or did I try again?
Wow, the mall is so big and bright.
Yes, I want to see everything.
Jack, get ready. We are going to the mall today.
Really, Mom? That sounds so fun.
Yes, but stay close to the family.
Jack, I want to see the bookshop first. And I want to see the toy shop. We can look together.
Jack, listen carefully before we leave.
Yes, Dad, I am listening.
Stay near us and do not walk away alone. Emma, please help us watch Jack too.
Okay, Dad, I will stay near him.
Good. We will all stay together.
The children are very excited today.
Yes, but we must be careful in the mall.
I agree. It can be very busy there. Jack, what will you do if you cannot see us?
I will look for you, Mom.
No, stay in one place and ask a safe adult for help.
Wow, the mall is so big and bright. Yes, I want to see everything. Stay close, okay?
Jack, hold my hand for now.
Okay, Dad.
Good. We will walk together first.
Let us go to the clothes store first.
Okay, Mom, but Jack still wants the toy shop.
We can go there soon.
Emma, look at that big robot poster. Oh yes, it looks cool. I think the toy shop is near.
I will check this dress for a minute.
Okay, I will stand near the children.
We will not take long.
I can see the toy shop window. The robot is right there. I just want one quick look. Wow, this robot is amazing. It moves and lights up. I want to show Emma this toy. Dad, where is Jack?
He was here a moment ago.
I do not see him now.
Emma, where is Jack?
Mom, I do not know. He was just here.
Oh no, where did he go? David, I cannot see Jack anywhere.
Stay calm. We will find him.
I am really worried now.
Emma, stay with Mom.
Okay, Dad, I feel scared.
We will search near the toy shop first.
Emma, Mom, Dad? Where is everyone? Oh no, I cannot see my family. I feel scared now. Should I run and look for them? Wait, Dad told me to stay in one place.
Jack, where are you?
Mom, I hope he is okay.
Me too. I just want to find him fast.
Excuse me, have you seen a little boy in a blue shirt?
I am sorry, sir. I did not see him.
Thank you. We are looking for our son.
I must be brave. I will stay here and ask for help. I need a safe adult. Excuse me, sir. I cannot find my family.
It is okay, son. Stay calm.
I got lost in the mall.
We'll find them. You're safe. What is your name?
My name is Jack.
Good, Jack. I will help you. Do you know your father's name?
Yes, my father's name is David.
Very good. You are doing great. Let us go to the security desk now.
Yes, that is the best idea.
They can help us quickly.
Mom, is Jack crying now?
Maybe he is scared, but we will find him.
I want him to be safe.
Sir, our son is missing. Please stay calm. What does he look like? He is a little boy in a blue shirt with a frog. We already found a boy named Jack. Really? Is he here? Yes, he is safe with another guard.
Is my family coming now?
Yes, Jack. They are coming to you.
Thank you for helping me.
Dad, is Jack really safe?
Yes, Emma. We will see him in a moment.
I feel so relieved. Jack! Mom! I am so happy you are safe. Jack, I was so worried about you. I am sorry, Emma. I went to the toy shop window. Next time, stay with us. Why did you walk away alone?
I saw a big robot toy and forgot to stay close.
What did you do when you got lost?
I stayed in one place and asked the guard for help.
That was very smart, Jack.
Are you feeling better now?
Yes, I am. I feel safe again.
Good. We are together now. This was a hard moment for us,
Yes, but Jack learned an important lesson.
and we found him safe.
Dad, next time I will stay close to the family.
That is the right choice, Jack.
I learned that family stays together.